Money flows freely to me. I release all resistance to attracting money. I am worthy of a positive cash flow. I am a money magnet. There is always more than enough money in my life. I naturally attract good fortune. I am financially free. My income exceeds my expenses. I deserve to be paid for my skills, time, and knowledge. I have a positive relationship to money and know how to spend it wisely. My income increases constantly. I am wealthy in more ways than one. My job, business allow me to live the life I desire. I am connected to the universal supply of money. I am grateful for the abundance that I have and the abundance on its way. Every dollar I spend and donate comes back to me multiplied. I can look at my finances without any fear. I choose to live a rich and full life. I give myself permission to prosper and grow. I am worthy of all the riches I desire. I have the power to create the success and build the wealth I desire. Thank you so much and Namaste.